Today I am going to show you how to create this beautiful love effect animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to become an expert in PowerPoint design, make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you want the editable file, the link in the description below. So, let's get started. First, select the text box, type the word love and place it in the center of the slide. Now, change the font style to Showcard Gothic and increase the font size. Go to Arrange, Align Middle to keep it perfectly aligned. Now, it's time to add the background video. I have downloaded this video from pixabay.com, where you can easily find free stock videos. Go to Insert, Video, this device and insert your downloaded video. Then send to back. Now, select both the video and the text box together. Go to Merge Shape and click on Intersect. This creates a stunning effect where your video play inside the text. Go to the Animation tab and apply the play animation. This makes sure the video starts playing automatically within the text. Go back to the Home tab and insert another text box. Type your subtitle here. Center it, make it bold and increase the font size. Change the text color using the eyedropper tool, so it matches your design perfectly. Go to Video Format, Video Effect, Shadow and select a Perspective Shadow. You can also adjust the shadow color for a better look. Finally, select a background color that completes your design. Now, let's play the slideshow and see the final result. You will notice the text beautifully filled with video animation along with the stylish subtitle. Looks amazing, right? So, that's how you can create this low effect animation in PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to Akshrika tutorials for more creative PowerPoint tricks.